Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about application of integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have V, that is about the volume equals to B. And then we have the integration from A to B. So in this situation, we have upper function to the power of 2 minus the lower function to the power of 2. So the upper function that is about this one in here. The lower function that is about this one in here. So we will have B and we have the integration from 0 to number 1. So 0 in here, number 1 in here. And then we have upper function that is about 9s squared. This one lower function that is about 9s to the power of 3, everything to the power of 2. This one we have 81 s to the power of 4 minus 81 s to the power of 6. So we have the formula in here. S to the power of 4, we will have about number 5. So we put number 4 cone here. 4 plus 1, we have number 5. This one we have number 7. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So we put number 1 cone here, number 0 cone here. So we calculate this one. So we have 162 over 35b. This is the end. Thank you for watching.